Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and to my review of the electronic signature tool SignNow. In case you've never heard of SignNow, it's a digital signature subscription service for businesses that know how to digitally sign a PDF document, but need a way to do it easily, quickly, and more efficiently. And you probably know that a digital paperless office is more cost-effective, quicker, and more eco-friendly. But to go paperless, you need tools to create, manage, and sign PDFs and other electronic documents, so adding an electronic signature platform to your office might be the way to go. Now, the problem of how to digitally sign a PDF document was a huge challenge for me originally, so I looked into electronic signature tools and I came upon SignNow, which is the service that my company ended up opting for. So in this video, I'll go over what I learned about SignNow, how it works, how much it costs, what worked for me, and what didn't work out so well. And by the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to see if they have what you need for your digital signature needs or not. And if you find this review interesting or helpful, you can show your appreciation by liking this video and subscribing to the channel if you haven't already to see more of my reviews. And just to be upfront, I'm an affiliate of pretty much all the companies that I review, including SignNow, but my recommendation wouldn't mean much if I didn't give you my honest opinion as always. But if at any point you decide that you want to try SignNow, you can use the affiliate link that's down in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything, and you might get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. Okay, a little bit about SignNow. It's a cloud-based electronic signature service from the company Slate that gives businesses of all sizes a legal, secure way to add signatures to electronic documents of all sorts, allowing subscribers to sign digital documents, negotiate contracts, manage payments, and generate agreements using legally binding e-signatures to seal the deals. With SignNow, you get customizable templates for forms, email notifications, and many export options, along with an audit log that captures the details of every document from creation all the way to signing. You can access the SignNow platform in your browser as well as via Android and iOS mobile apps. And although there's no Mac or PC desktop version, SignNow fully integrates with pretty much all of the major platforms like Google, Teams, and Salesforce, as well as most other existing business systems. In terms of how they work, they offer a free trial for 7 days that allows you to try the platform to see if it'll work for you. After you finish setting up your account, you can start using the browser interface, where your first step will be to create a full signature as well as initials. And you can choose from 8 different signature styles, which you can draw yourself, or you can upload an electronic signature if you already have one. And their interface is really smooth, which makes the whole process really easy for the average user. But for more advanced users, they also have options like API and payment integration, workflow automations, cloud storage, and an audit trail of all the activity that has taken place on every document, so nothing can happen without an administrator knowing about it. On top of that, you can create organizations to collaborate with others, upload your business document, add fields that you want to be filled in, and then send them along to be signed. Also, they automatically save all the people that you've shared any documents with to make it easier to send stuff to them again later on. And you can create document groups so you can send multiple documents for signing in one bundle. And like I started to touch on before, they have a lot of really advanced features to automate your workflow. It's not really for people who need to sign a PDF form now and then. It's more like a really comprehensive solution for businesses that really rely on signatures to close deals or for basic operations than it is for the average user. But if you do need more advanced options, depending on the size of your company or your specific needs, one of their premium plans should do the trick for you. Otherwise, if you're looking for more of a PDF and document management solution for use every now and then, you might consider checking out PDF Filler, which is another software that I spent some time checking out. And there's a link to my review of them in the description down below, because their premium plan already includes SignNow, and they're more suited to meeting the needs of smaller businesses. Okay, so when it comes to user experience, I discovered SignNow because I used PDF Filler, which is also from Slate. And I looked into it as a way to manage the contracts that my team deals with every single day. And the reason that we ended up choosing it over other softwares that we tried before is because it's really easy to use. There's no software to download before you can use it on their online platform, which takes a long time to learn or adjust to, but you can also add a Chrome extension to sign documents while browsing or using Gmail. And there are mobile apps for both iPhone and Android, which makes things much easier when I'm out and about and I don't have access to my computer. For me, SignNow's simple interface makes the whole process from uploading documents to signing and sending them out very user-friendly and easy. And getting my clients to sign a standard disclosure from a link that I can email or text message them has saved me and them so much hassle, not to mention that when I need to sign something, I can do it from my phone, email, or right on their website. And that's saved me and my customers a lot of ink and paper and space and money, and it makes me feel really modern compared to printing off every document and paying someone to manually go through and format them properly. And just to reiterate, if you decide that you want to give SignNow a try, you can use the link down in the description. It won't cost you anything extra, and you'll get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. Okay, so in terms of pricing, their most affordable plan is called the Business Plan, and it costs $8 a month per user if you opt for an annual payment, or $20 per month if you pay month to month. And with this plan, you get basic e-signature functions for both your computer as well as your phone through the app. So you have access to cloud storage, unlimited templates, you can send documents for signing with basic fillable fields, and you can use the app to get a signature in person. And if you've ever been in a sales meeting, you know how important it can be to get the contract signed right then and there if you're able, and having the app right there on your phone or tablet can really make all the difference in terms of getting them to sign a contract that you have to modify or one that you don't right then and there during the meeting. Now, moving on to the most popular package. Business Premium gives you enhanced e-signature capabilities for $15 a month per user if you pay for a year, or $30 per user if you pay month to month. With this plan, you'll get all the features of the business package, plus the ability to request payments, create document groups, send links with your invitations to sign and send documents in bulk, set reminders and notifications, plus you can use the kiosk mode in the mobile app, which is a lockdown mechanism that lets you run a single app or predefined set of apps. But when it comes to more advanced features and the ability to add your own logo to your documents, which can really add some major authority to the documents, the enterprise plan might be a great option, which is $30 a month per user, or $50 if you opt to pay month to month. And with this plan, you get extra security with advanced threat protection, conditional documents, signer attachments, and the ability to add smart fillable fields. Also, as an enterprise user, you have access to a dashboard with personalized branding, and you can redirect documents after they've been signed. And all of these plans include 100 signature invites per user per year, and this is more than most customers need. But if you need more invites, you can always switch over to the pay-as-you-go plan, where you get access to more advanced options for automation and integration. But if you want to integrate SignNow into your business's existing systems, the site license plan allows for an unlimited user and costs $1.50 per signature. And if you're interested in getting full API access, volume discounts, and industry-specific compliance measures built into your workflow integration, you can get in touch with the SignNow sales team to build a tailored plan that's specific to your needs. Now, another thing that really impressed me about SignNow is the bank-level encryption they use to keep everything secure. We all know that files can be protected by passwords, but SignNow also uses automated malware scans and one-time passcodes to authenticate recipients, which showed me that they really worry about the security of your documents, which is really important. So for some business owners, SignNow can handle payments, skipping all the back and forth paperwork, because you can collect signatures and payments at the same time. And if you need it, you can set up a contract negotiation system to manage agreements with clients and vendors with a real-time audit trail to keep track of everything. On the more advanced plans, you can actually automate some of your workflows pretty easily by creating a fully configurable bot, which, if you work out the kinks and all the little details, can actually help you automate a lot of your repetitive processes. For instance, you can use a bot for document routing so that when documents get signed, it automatically gets forwarded to the right people, with automatic reminders and notifications, so you won't ever have to manually check if a client signed a contract or if a payment request was sent. But beyond whatever you function the bot to do, you'll always know when something does actually need your attention. And if for some reason you want to cancel your subscription, SignNow will refund you if you contact them within 30 days of being invoiced. Also, if you have any questions, you can find a lot of detailed information on their website with in-depth how-to guides that cover every feature on the platform. But if you still need help, you can use either email, start a live chat with them, or call their customer service. Now, in terms of negatives, I do wish SignNow catered more to smaller businesses. But if legal documents are part of your business transactions, then you definitely need an electronic signature tool nowadays. Also, another good website that I tried is DocuSign, which is a good option with great security, But when it comes to pricing, I found SignNow to be more reasonable with their entry-level price of $8 a month for each user, compared with the $10 rate that DocuSign asks for. In terms of document creation and design, DocuSign has a few more features, but I like how I can send documents by SMS using SignNow. And since my business is growing pretty rapidly, I like that SignNow has more options to scale up as your needs change. Okay, so the bottom line is, do I recommend SignNow? Well, if your business warrants all the advanced features you get, and if you could benefit from easy automation of tedious workflows like mine does, I definitely would recommend them. For me, it's become a really valuable asset that's helped me go more paperless and manage a ton of my documents more efficiently. Not to mention, it's helped us close deals and get contracts signed and legally sealed quickly and easily. SignNow has given us a great return on our investment. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this review. If you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And as I mentioned earlier, if at any point you decide that you wanna give SignNow a try, use the link that's down in the description. It won't cost you anything, and you'll get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website, so it's a win-win. And as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, and I'll try to get back to any questions or comments you leave down in the description below as fast as I possibly can. And finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.